Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file a claim. First, carefully review your policy or agreement to understand its terms and conditions. This crucial step ensures you know what is covered and what information you will need. Next, begin collecting all relevant documents and evidence. Finally, contact your provider as soon as possible to officially start the claim process and receive specific instructions. Gathering the right documents is vital for a successful claim. Make sure to collect all receipts, invoices, and any proof of purchase related to your claim. If an incident occurred, secure official reports, such as a police report, which provides an objective account. Additionally, capture clear photographs or videos of any damage or relevant evidence to support your case visually. When submitting your claim, accuracy is paramount. Carefully complete the claim form, ensuring every detail is correct and all requested information is provided. Utilize the specific submission channel your provider designates, which might be an online portal, email, or postal service. Always retain copies of every document you submit for your own records, just in case you need them later. After submitting your claim, it is important to actively follow up. Regularly check the status of your claim through your provider's communication channels. If your provider requests additional information, respond quickly and thoroughly to avoid delays. Be aware that claim review and resolution can take several weeks or even months, depending on the complexity and the provider's processes.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.